It's being called a stunning fall from grace. Lehman Brothers filed for bankruptcy and Merrill Lynch agreed to be taken over by Bank of America. It's being called a once-in-a-century financial crisis by former Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan. Now the ripple effect is being felt from Wall Street to Main Street.
The headlines can't be exaggerated. Crisis on Wall Street, a jittery road ahead.
Continued fallout from the subprime crisis.
Marc Fovinci with Ferguson Wellman says giving mortgages to those who could not afford them is responsible for the collapse of Lehman Brothers, making bad bets on real estate.
The markets have essentially created a run on the investment banks, and funding has become difficult, and so Lehman has had to close its doors.
Merrill Lynch was in the same boat, but found a lifeline in Bank of America. American International Group is looking for $40 billion from the Federal Reserve to keep itself afloat.
Necessarily say it's a complete financial panic, but there is panic in the markets right now.
To ease fears, the Fed is loosening its lending restrictions within the banking industry. In addition, a group of domestic and foreign banks is creating a $70 billion fund to help troubled financial firms.
It is nervous times.
Market strategist Fred Dixon with D.A. Davidson has been fielding calls since Wall Street went into red alert this weekend.
Gee, are my life insurance policies solid with AIG? Is there a problem with brokerage accounts at some of the names of Merrill Lynch? And the answer is no. There are no problems with those accounts.
However, stockholders in Lehman Brothers will surely lose money, and today's news will continue to affect the slumping housing market. It means less money to go around.
It means, though, that any chance of refinancing is probably getting farther off because events like today mean less availability of credit.
And while the headlines can't be overstated, the worry is not to overreact.
Monies are safe, but the banking system at this point has plenty of liquidity.
So the bottom line is this. If you have a personal account under $100,000, you're covered by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. You're also covered up to $250,000 for an IRA. The experts agree, though, if you have several accounts or joint accounts under $100,000 each, it's best to spread those out over different banks.